Okay. Daddy has to make you dinner because Mommy's gone, okay? So, who wants monkey heads and lizard tails? Huh? You?
Not me. No.
Well, then what do you want?
I want jelly beans.
Nick, what do you want for dinner?
Candy for dinner.
You want candy for dinner?
Yeah.
Let me look.
Okay.
Jelly beans.
Yes! Yes, jelly beans. I will open jelly beans for dinner. Let's eat them.
Hold on.
Let me see that.
Wait, no. Not.
Bing. Bing. Use my mind down.
Okay, you guys go sit down at the table. Nope. Go sit at the table. Get ready for dinner.
No. Do we really get to eat them? Dad, do we really get to eat them? Do we really get to eat them?
Go sit at the table.
Do we really get to eat them?
If you guys aren't at the table.
Yeah, we get to eat them for real. And that was tell me the truth. Do we get to eat them for real?
Okay. Say hi to Mommy.
Hi.